Hello and welcome to today's Flutter tutorial. In this video, we are diving into the versatile TabBar widget. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to create and customize TabBars for seamless navigation in your Flutter apps. Let's get started. First, what is a TabBar? A TabBar is a widget that allows you to implement tabbed navigation within your app. It is often paired with a tab view to display content corresponding to each tab. Let's see it in action. So here I have my main method and I have my run app method, which takes a stateless widget, my app, as material app returned, which has home, which is TabBar as example, which is also a stateless widget. And then here I have my scaffold and my app bar. The first thing you do is that you have to wrap the scaffold with the default tab controller, which manages the TabBar state, and then you give the length of the TabBar you're going to be having on your screen. So after doing this, the next thing I'm going to do is that I want to make use of the bottom property in my app bar so that I can display my TabBar at the bottom of my app bar here. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to come here and then I'm going to say bottom, and then which is going to take a widget called TabBar, and then my TabBar is going to take tabs, and then my TabBar is going to take list of widgets which are tabs. So I'm just going to come here and I'm going to say tab, and if you hover on the tab, you can see the parameters you can provide to it. You can provide string, you can provide text, you can provide icon and all this. So I'm going to be using icon, and my icon is going to take icons dot up. The next thing I'm going to be adding is that I'm going to add a text, and the text is going to be, and let's add const here and const here. Yeah, so this is the first tab, and since I already said the length of my tab is going to be 3, all I'm just going to do is add comma here, and let's copy this and duplicate it. So we can come in 1 and 2, and let's change this to settings and the name to settings, and also this one is going to be about, and you can change this to info. Yeah, and then we'll save this now, and you can see below our app bar title at the bottom of the app bar we have the tab bars. So we have home, setting and about. So when you can click on it, then you can click on this, then you can navigate between the tab bar. So now the next thing we're going to do is that when we click on any of this tab bar, we want it to show content that is unique to each tab bar, and to do that we're just simply going to be making use of the tab bar view. So I'm going to come here, set my scaffold here, I'm going to make use of body, then I'm going to add tab bar view, which is going to take children, and now I can now provide list of widgets, each widget unique to individual tab. So to do that, I'm just going to come here, I'm going to be making use of the text widget for each of them, and then this is just going to take home page, and yeah, let me style it, style text style, and I'll give it font size of 18 pixels and font weight dots both, and yeah, I can add const here. Oh no, what I want to do is I want to wrap my text in a text with a container so that I can give it a background color. So let me just, that's a factor, and let's give it a container, and the container we can then give it a color. Let's give the first one color dots. Let's use yellow. And let's add cost here. And let's add cost here. And lastly, I'm going to place this text at the center of my container widget, so that we can have it here, and so that the container widget can take the whole space. So refactor and then use center widget, and let's move this from here and place it here. Yeah, that's good. So let me add comma at the back here so as to format. And save this. So you can see for the home, we have home page here. But if I click here, I don't have anything, and I'm getting an error saying controller length property is 3, and I've only provided 1. So what I'm just going to do now is I'm going to just copy this, and then I'm going to duplicate 3. So let's change this to from home page to setting page, and this is going to be about page, and let's change the let's change the color. So let's make use of blue for this, and let's make use of red, or let's use orange for this. Let's save this, and so if I click on this now, you can see I have the settings page. If I click on this, I have the about page. So that's the basics on how to make use of the TabBar. Now let's customize this TabBar with color, style, and more. To do that, you're simply going to come to the TabBar. I'm simply going to come to the TabBar here, and then so I'll bring this down, and I can add indicator color. So indicator color simply means this. So let me give it colors.deep orange, and another thing I can do is I can add indicator width. So I can give this say 4.0 pixel, and then another thing I can do is I can say label colors dot use dot yellow here, and lastly I can also say unselected label color, and I can give it colors dot, let's use black. Let's use black at this here. Let's give this comma, and let's save this. So you can see that let's change the color from yellow to, let's use deep pop, and let's save this. So you can see our label color is deep purple, and our indicator color is also deep purple. The unselected label color is black, and this other one is black. And that's how you create and customize a TabBar in Flutter. It is a fantastic widget for managing tabbed navigation with ease. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Happy coding.